Hi, my name's Ashley Deyes, I'm a makeup artist and I'm here to take you through how to nail festive glam in a few products and take your look from desk to drinks in partnership with Sheer Looks and SpaceNk. First up, concealer, brighten the under eye and hide a long day. This is by Kosas, it's my absolute fave. It is the shade 03 and you're just going to blend that into the skin and take it a little bit lower than you would just around the eye area. What you want to do is create almost like a triangle. So you're taking your concealer down to the center of the cheek and then up to the outer corner of the eye, then pat in with the warmth of your fingertip. Any excess you've got on your fingertips from pressing the product into the skin, you can just use that to brighten the eyelid slightly in the inner corner. If you're going to be using eyeshadows and things like that, avoid doing this. Concealer is designed for the driest part of our face, which is under the eye area. If we use it on the eyelid, it's actually the oiliest part of our face. So the product is going to cause too much oiliness and it's going to disturb any eyeshadow you pop on top. Once concealer is in place, grab yourself an eyeliner. I love to use an eyeliner pen to get more of a defined eye. To create the perfect wing, you want to imagine your lower lash line was to continue outwards. And wherever that lower lash line was to continue is where you want to mark out the starting point. Once you've got that in place, you're then going to work from the outside tip and bring the liner back along the lash line. And then you're going to get this sort of winged shape, but with like a gap in between. You're then just going to colour in any gaps and then flip your liner brush round and work it into the inside corner. When it gets to the inside corner, I'm going to use the tip of the liner brush and just work the product right into the inside corner. Your liner should always be the finest on the inside corner and always have the most thickness and depth in the outer corner. If you apply this and it goes wrong, don't worry, you can always keep a brown eyeshadow in your bag as well to diffuse that line if you make any mistakes. With liner, never try and do one fluid line. It works so much better when you just do little dot to dot along the lash line, and you can literally just lay the brush into the lashes so that you get a seamless finish. The best combination for brighter looking eyes is a black liner, a bright concealer, and a great mascara. You want to really get the bristles to the base of the lash, give it a little wiggle, and then blink slowly to make sure that you get the bristles going from the root right to the tip. Mascara on the lower lash line you can go for if you want more of a dramatic, bolder look. For me, I love to keep the lower lash line bright, especially when I'm going for a bold lip. Keep the eyes fresh, defined, and then let the lip do all the talking. Next is lipstick, and nothing says Christmas more than Lisa Eldridge Velvet Ribbon. It is the best red. There's a few different ways you can use it. If you look at this and you instantly feel a little bit terrified, don't worry, just do a blotting motion. So you're just gonna blot it onto the lip, blot your lips together, and it will just give this kind of flush to the lips. If like me, you love a red, go full on in, straight with the bullet, and we're going bold. When you do your lower lip, flip the bullet round so that you're using the tip of the bullet on the lower lip to get the same definition. Because we've not put a blusher in our bag, we're gonna just use lipstick as a blush. With that on your cheeks, you might look at it and think, oh, it's gonna be so bold, but just use a tiny bit will give you the freshest pinky winter blush. You just wanna do a couple of dots on the apple of your cheek, so cheesy grin to yourself in the mirror. The apple of the cheek is that juicy bit just there. Once that's in place, just use your fingers and just pat it into the skin. And it's going to create a really nice flush of colour, and you don't have to worry about your blush matching your lipstick because it's both the same product. And then any excess you've got on your fingers, just take onto the bridge of your nose for a little added colour. And that's it, 4 products to take your look from day to night. Super simple, whatever you're doing after work this festive season.